Sawadee Cups, Bijo in Pattaya. That's North Pattaya Road and second road there with Terminal 21. And that road there goes up to Naklua. Naklua 24, this road. See there, the Dusit Tani. That road down to Best Bella Hotel and down to the beach area. But let's go take a look around. It's Wednesday, the 17th of May, 2023. It's 34 degrees. So that block of land there, massive, worth a lot of money. Feels like 40 degrees, hot as hell. My voice might be a bit rough. I've had a couple of big nights. But how good is this? North Pattaya Beach. Take a look around here. They've been doing some more development, ripping up the footpaths and whatever else they do. They built that little, what do you call that, a buffer zone, stop the water. It's got little fishing boats in there now. It's the corner of the Dusit Tani there. Look at this. Welcome to Pattaya Beach. What a beautiful day. Now there's no parking on the beach side anymore. Let's see what they've done along here. Apparently they widened the footpath. Took a few trees out. Not sure, they didn't see enough. I don't know. It's never really busy at this end. All the walkers. Hang on you guys. Let's go check the dollar for you. I think the Aussie dollar went up a bit. While we're here, they got the rates on the window. Yes, Aussie dollar 22.43, US dollar 33.97, Great British pound 42.30. They are moving around a little bit. Oh, there's that green tree pump, always popular in there, looks good too. Look at the traffic, it's not too bad. For a Wednesday, it's the Player Lounge and Bistro, just there by the teddy bear. That looks a cool spot too. Look at all this. Wonder if the beach is busy. Oh, my voice. Fat Coco Club and the A1 Hotels just there. My mum always stays in there. Good hotels. Oh, look at this. They got little parking on the side of the beach here. That's a pretty wide footpath just there. Where are we up to? Soy 5. Soy 5, the shopping centre that never really took off, the bay. And this is down near the old Soy 6. Sawadee Cup! Hey! Coming through. There, a couple of guys there, new Joe. There's the old Soy 6. Bit different in night time, but it's still a good afternoon place there. They all take off up there. Look at that area. Not too busy, huh? I'll show you this big spot down here. They're going to redevelop. They're going to apparently put a massive Marriott hotel and a giant shopping centre. Just here on the left, this giant block of land. I've seen the plans already. All that block of land there. It's going to be massive hotel and shopping centre. Here's where they're still doing the road, the footpath works. Widening the footpath, take out a couple of trees. So they're getting there. It's all going to be nice, even though they've done this footpath about 3 times already in the last 10 years. What they got here, some festival coming up by the looks of it as well. Oh, it's a running race. One of those marathons. Pattaya Beach Hotel. I've been there for a while too, in the old little clubs here on the corner. And here we are, Pattaya Klang, Central Pattaya. The La Plage Cafe. Apparently that's quite good in there. Let's take a look around here. We got a bit of time, do we, Pete Joe? Yeah, we do. Look at that. Pattaya Beach. Hilton shopping there. We used to have the big King sign here. They've taken that down. Whether they'll replace it. Yeah, they've got the running race all set up there. Probably next couple of days. All the North Pattaya. The buildings on the left up there is Wong and Mat and the beach area up there. Bamboo Beach. It doesn't look too busy on the beach, but it is hot as hell. A little bit of pollution around. The boats, traffic, they all said are getting back to normal, all the boats. You can see them on the beach. Don't think they're really supposed to moor on the beach. They're all supposed to go to the pier, but that's life. I just want to say thank you all for watching my channel. I love you all. Try to keep you all entertained. Be careful walking around here. There's an American guy apparently fell down a drain. Not in Pattaya, but somewhere close. Don't know if he was drunk or because they couldn't find an open drain. Seemed a bit odd. Anyway, looks like this footpath's going down quite a bit further. Whether they do the whole lot there. Just go have a look here. Got another minute or two, P. Joe. Some good little bars along here. When will the beachfront bars reopen? Miss Mojito. Kamikaze. Poppy. Yeah, there's the bars where they're renewing those bars. Make them all nice after 30 years. See them working in there. Just doing the roof, new roof, the whole lot going up. Pattaya police station, you don't want to go there if possible, even though they're very helpful. Anyway guys, take care because it's Uru from Pijo. I'll give you part 2 down the beach here in a little bit. Central Festival, Hilton, stay up there, swimming pool up the top too. But Uru, stay safe, over and out. It's the Pijo Show.